Shots fired! Shots fired!
There's a car pushing out, I think, south, but I'm going to clearly launch this now.
On August 10, 2024, in Miami Beach, Florida, chaos ensued when Florida Highway Patrol troopers spotted a stolen Toyota SUV. The vehicle had been taken by 46-year-old Savalas Cigar, who allegedly threatened the owner, Glenda Defus, with a hammer while her disabled brother was inside.
One of the beach guys told me he has I'm gonna go to what is that, 79? I think that's 79.
FHP attempted to stop the SUV with a pit maneuver, but it continued until a second maneuver near the Julia Tuttle Causeway caused it to overturn. Cigar was hospitalized with non-life-threatening injuries before being arrested. He faces multiple charges, including grand theft auto and fleeing police, with a bond set at $11,000. DAFA reported that several personal items were stolen, including her credit card, which Cigar allegedly used. Her loved ones have set up a GoFundMe to help her replace her uninsured vehicle.
300 back. Just came up from Ringgold.
Eastbound 37th Street.
On August 16, 2024, in Vero Beach, Florida, a deputy spotted a sport bike racing at 120 miles per hour on State Road 60. The chase began as Austin Schwartz, 22, weaved through traffic, with the IRCSO helicopter tracking from above.
Passing multiple cars, really extremely reckless, still eastbound 37th. Passing cars, looks like we're going to be southbound on the boulevard. Southbound on the boulevard.
What kind of bike is it? Look like he might run out of gas momentarily.
It's a sport style bike, white helmet. He's moving so fast it's really hard to get a description. I could tell it's just a sports bike, that's for sure. Yep, to 17th Street. We are going to continue southbound. Almost crashed, still southbound. Looks like he's on the sidewalk now. And white.
The reckless pursuit ended when Schwartz collided with a truck at 17th Street and Indian River Boulevard, crashing his bike.
He just crashed south of 17th Street Boulevard. Yep, he's helmet down. He's standing by the bike right now.
Face away from me. Face away from me. Interlock your fingers on the back of your head. Walk back towards me.
He was arrested and charged with reckless driving and fleeing law enforcement, later released on a $40,000 bond. This incident highlights the dangers of high-speed pursuits on busy roads. In Littleton, Colorado, on September 4th, 2024, chaos erupted when deputies from the Douglas County Sheriff's Office responded to a burglary at a salvage yard. As they set up a perimeter, 29-year-old Brenton Zeiler, driving a stolen Toyota Tundra, attempted to flee by ramming a deputy's patrol car. The situation escalated as Zeiler fired shots at pursuing deputies and Inglewood police.
5 David 3-2, they just lost the trailer. It is blocking the exit to Bellevue. The truck is now eastbound. 5 David 3-2, I'm pursuing the truck. Speeds of about 70. Eastbound B3, still riding on the wheel.
Speeds of 83, riding on the wheel, 309.
Do you want to get your car up here?
2, speeds of 70. And they're firing shots, I believe.
Speeds of 70, firing shots at 309.
5 David 3-2, I believe they're firing shots out the window.
I copy, shots fired at 310.
5 David 3-2.
You got something up there? We're working on right on security. The car pushed out, I think, south, but I'm going to clear the lots and stuff.
The chase ended near Village Greens Park, where Zeiler crashed and was arrested. One deputy was hospitalized but has since been released and is expected to recover fully. Facing multiple serious charges, including attempted murder of a peace officer and motor vehicle theft, Zeiler's actions have drawn attention to the ongoing search for 2 possible accomplices involved in this dangerous incident.
826, exit at 12, I'm behind the signal center.
On August 1st, 2024, in Miami-Dade County, Florida, Broward Sheriff's Office deputies spotted a stolen black GMC Denali near the Golden Glades interchange. The chase began as the driver, 35-year-old Joseph Giannino, sped onto Interstate 95 and the Palmetto Expressway.
I'm behind signal 10, black GMC Denali. It's going to be 28 of 47 Bravo, Zulu, Romeo, Quebec. We're going to be eastbound 23.
After a brief stop on Northwest 7th Avenue, Giannino hit a white Mercedes and continued recklessly on the shoulder. As he approached the interchange, he lost control, crashing into 3 vehicles and colliding with a box truck that rolled over.
23. I believe he's signaled for the vehicle right now. Alright, towards the turnpike. He's going 12 whiskey. Now going on the turnpike, signal 4 versus a truck, and we can roll over. Let me see your it! Let me see your
for it. 1326.
The Denali finally came to a stop, and Giannino was arrested on multiple charges, including aggravated fleeing and eluding, grand theft, and driving with a suspended license. Notably, he was already on probation for a previous fleeing incident.
Steal the cop car! Steal the cop car! Freeze! Freeze! Shots fired! Shots fired! Crash to the cruiser! From map northbound! Shots fired!
On January 12, 2023, in Bristol, Connecticut, 39-year-old Jimmy Shoemaker Gonzalez carjacked a Dodge Durango, injuring the owner with a knife. After crashing the Durango, he attempted several more carjackings before successfully stealing a Toyota RAV4. When police attempted a felony stop, he fled but got stuck against a guardrail. Shoemaker Gonzalez then entered an officer's running cruiser, prompting Officer Petzing to fire 4 shots as he backed out.
Does not have any lights on.
Suspect class are hit once or twice on the
Down Brook Street. Southbound down Brook.
need to the garage for crimes.
Is everything clear?
Yeah. I need some caution tape down here as well.
After narrowly missing a school bus, he crashed into Palma's diner. At the hospital, he tested positive for drugs and claimed he couldn't remember the day, expressing intentions to sue the police. On August 27, 2024, in Palm Coast, Florida, deputies responded to a stolen blue Ferrari 488 Spider reported fleeing from St. Johns County. The driver, 19-year-old Jonathan Costa, was wanted for an armed home invasion in Rhode Island and considered armed and dangerous. Costa sped over 100 miles per hour, narrowly avoiding crashes, while deputies set up roadblocks. After losing sight of the vehicle, authorities tracked Costa to a residence on Royal Palm Lane, where he tried to conceal the stolen car under tarps. Costa was arrested without incident, facing charges including armed robbery and vehicle theft. He is being held without bond, while another suspect, Logan Slezak, later turned himself in to police in Rhode Island. The investigation is ongoing.
You got anything on you? You got a knife or a gun?
Nothing on me.
You want to take my report? Yeah. What's your name? John. He's advising his name is Jonathan Costa.
Jonathan Costa and Logan.
Where's Logan? He's not here. I have no idea where he is. Where'd you drop him off?
Escort that subject back and then put him in your vehicle.
He's not here. He's not in Florida.
All right, 10 4's gonna say. Escort him back. All right, so. What's that? You want to link up with them, Jax? You want to link up with them?
You want to give me your key fob and you can stay with searching them?
Well, I'll do it because I gotta. Yeah, we're good. We're good. I gotta get more cuffs anyways.
You got charges all across the East Coast.
All right.
I shut the radio off.
All right. I'm gonna turn the air on.
Thanks for tuning in. These incredible stories highlight the intense challenges faced by law enforcement every day. If you found this video intriguing, don't forget to like and subscribe for more thrilling content. Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know which cases you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, stay safe.